guys. We don't even know what we're doing. This is our first video, but we still love you.
What's up, M&M Squad? It's your girl Navaya and
Marissa.
And it's our first YouTube video. And for our first YouTube video, we are going to be playing with slime. This is 5 bottles of glue. Yeah. Mixed with butter slime. So it's 4 bottles of glue mixed with butter slime. 5 bottles of glue. So we're just gonna, and it's our first video, so make that like and subscribe to our channel.
And you could be the first to get notifications for our new videos, and you could get a shirt
You
also.
can get
and
M&M
something.
Squad shirt.
And
And my name's Navaya. Her name's Marissa. It's not M&M. It's not M&M the candy, but it's M and N.
So it sounds similar. So
Yeah, that's why I came up with the name. Yeah, and we'll be like next year we'll be passing out like M&M. It says M&M, and then M&M all over the shirt. with
Yeah,
M&M on it.
and also we'll be giving away slime that we made
Yeah, slime that we make.
to 3 lucky people.
Yeah.
Every 5 videos that we make.
So yeah, and before we make our biggest slime bubble, we're gonna have a like, subscribe, and turn the post notification in 8 seconds. Ready? Okay, wait. Let me just get my fingers ready. I'm gonna do it with slime. Slime fingers.
Slime fingers.
Okay, so come on. 8, 7, 6. You're not counting with me. Come on, you guys. We're giving you 8 seconds to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification in only 8 seconds. So ready? Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And
Done.
time's up, guys.
So yeah.
Even if you didn't, it's not too late to subscribe.
Yeah, or turn on the post notification so you get all the videos we post. We'll
And
be
it's not-
posting more in the summer.
Yeah. And also, well, we'll still be posting ones every here and there, but we'll still be posting in the summer. Definitely in the summer.
So guys, let's make our biggest slime bubble. Whoa. Then I'm about to make the biggest slime bubble ever. Ready?
Okay, guys.
I just can't stop playing with this slime.
I know, it's like so satisfying.
But before we make the biggest slime bubble, I'm gonna take
Everything, like, move it.
some
Commotion.
lotion.
Commotion. That's our code. Into that.
We added some in. And then we're gonna mix it up.
Yeah. We just do that code just because we like the talking code a lot.
Sure. I like that. We'll go with that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we like adding lotion and to just make it
Like stretchier or more, wait, not moist, but softer.
This is the biggest slime I've ever owned.
Yeah, it's technically all hers, but I'm getting a little bit, so.
Yeah. This is our first video. We won't be posting no more videos until summer or until the next break.
So,
Because that's the only time we're with each other.
yeah, we don't go to school, unfortunately. But, sorry if you hear noise in the background, it's just, that's that bubble. Look at that. Sorry if you hear noise in the background, it's just gonna be a little, it's baby. It's, so anyway.
Okay. Let's make this bubble. Wait, I'm gonna add more. It just makes it much better.
I'm mixing it this time because you mixed it.
Hold it before you do. Okay. Yeah, guys. So we'll get back to you when we're finished mixing in all the lotions.
And
So
we
we're
just got
back.
mixing up the lotion.
Yeah, we added so much lotion, but it's still good slime.
Alright, so you guys are going to be,
Place somewhere else because that's how we make our big bubble. So
yeah, so you're going to be facing the ceiling for
No.
never mind. No.
Pause the video.
Yeah. So we'll be
She
back.
can't even speak.
I know. So we'll be back in like 2 seconds with our gigantic bubble.
2.
This is our gigantic
Oh man, you see that hole?
Oh no!
You guys are. Oh my gosh, my phone.
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, there's slime all over my camera because I put you guys in the bubble. That was so crazy.